Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best cameras for YouTube in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these cameras for YouTube you can check out the description below, and also don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 it's the Fujifilm X-T30. There are plenty of great cameras to shoot your vlogs, and one of the best in the market is the Fujifilm X-T30. The company's manufactured plenty of great cameras since the 40s. They are one of the best when it comes to the camera business. Fujifilm's X-T30 is a great camera that can help you a lot with your videos and photos too. This one provides amazing image quality, the focus is on another level, and it has many more great features that you should check out. This one has Fujifilm's latest AF system and also features many new direct controls and tilting touchscreen. And the best thing is that all these features fit in this small body of the Fujifilm X-T30. For its price, this camera is pretty well constructed. On this one, dials for shutter speed and exposure compensation connect you with the camera and make it pretty easy to adjust these settings. I noticed that the Fujifilm X-T30 fits well in the hand and allows your fingers to support it from underneath the grip. You can use it for hours and I'm sure you won't feel any discomfort. The mode dial on this camera lets you quickly access continuous shooting, movie modes, bracketing and more. A great feature that I noticed was that you can change the function that's assigned to a button by holding it down for a few seconds. It has many more great features that any camera enthusiast would love. It measures 11.3 by 5.8 by 2.6 inches and it weighs around 1.7 pounds. The combination of the 26.1 megapixel BSI APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 image sensor and X-Processor 4 quad-core CPU, it's a very great camera that's well suited for vlogging, professional photo taking and more. It's one of the best in the market and it has many great features that any blogger would love. I should also mention that the EVF on this camera is an OLED panel with 2.36 million dots, and it has 2.5mm mic input, USB-C and micro HDMI slots. I would highly recommend this camera to any vlogger. At number 4 it's the Panasonic Lumix GH5. Moving on, we have the Panasonic Lumix GH5. This one is a compact rangefinder style camera that in many ways is exceptionally well suited for vlogging, street and travel photographers. The electronic OLED viewfinder with 2.7 million dots that sits on the top rear part of the body looks great, while on the right you'll find a 3-inch tilt-angle touchscreen with 1.24 million dots that'll let you have a crystal clear sight of everything you wish to record. It has a full-way menu, it feels great in the hands and you won't feel any discomfort for long periods of recording. This camera includes Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth, which enables a constant connection to your smartphone or another device. When it comes to performance, this model comes with a nice 20.3 megapixel high-resolution MOS sensor along with under 3-dimensional color control to detect saturation, brightness, hue and so on. I should also mention that the live viewfinder comes with 2760K dots high resolution, 80 degrees with nearly 100% color reproduction, and also this unit packs 4K technology including 4K 30 pixel video, 4K live crop and 4K photo burst with a new light composition mode to capture perfect moments. All these features are the reason why this camera produces a perfect quality image. Customers are very satisfied with this product, especially travelers, because it's a camera that's very practical to use, pretty compact, has many more great features that any camera enthusiast would love. To sum up, I'd also like to mention that this unit is great for everyday shooting and video recording, which is a good choice for a traveler's camera, and also users can enjoy blur-free photo or video shooting from wide to tall, even in low light conditions. It's a premium looking camera that has many great features and it's perfect for vlogging, and you should take a look at this one. At number 3, it's the GoPro Hero 8. When it comes to waterproof and action cameras, there's only one leader, it's the GoPro. As you may know, GoPro has produced some fine pieces that make this company one of the best in terms of waterproof and extreme sports cameras. You already know that GoPro always produces great quality, amazing images and many more great features that make this camera very suitable for vlogging too. Like I said, this camera has amazing image quality and excellent camera stabilization. I can't think of one feature that makes this camera one of the best, because it has so many. This camera is great for vloggers, extreme sports enthusiasts and for anybody that likes to capture the moment. It has a foldable built-in mount, wind-resistant microphone and new and better software updates that'll provide superb qualities. The build quality is very solid and you don't have to worry about the drops and so on. It's a bit taller than the Hero 7, but it is thinner. I should also mention that the front lens has a Gorilla Glass protection, and this version has big room on the side of the camera that covers the USB-C port, battery and micro SD card. The 12-megapixel camera can produce some extremely nice photos, and videos are amazing too. The video resolution can go up to 4K at 60 FPS with an aspect ratio of 16:9. The 8x slow motion recording doesn't lose quality and provides nice slow-mo shots. The best feature of this camera, in my opinion, is the Hypersmooth 2.0 Plus boost. This feature delivers great stability, you can run and record, and still it'll look very smooth. However, it's not as stable as a gimbal, but it's good enough. The HDR and the night mode work pretty well on this one. It's waterproof to 33 feet, which is great, but you should consider getting a case if you want to go for a dive. I can say that it's the best action camera on the market. It's a little bit pricey, but in my opinion, it's worth it. You can stick with the GoPro Hero 7, but the Hero 8 has new great features that are a must for a hardcore user. I'd highly recommend the Hero 8 to anyone who wants one of the best cameras for YouTube and vlogging. At number 2, it's the Canon EOS Rebel T6. One of the best cameras for vlogging is the Canon EOS Rebel T6. This company is one of the best camera manufacturers in the market, and it's still one of the oldest ones to be in the game. I can say that the company has delivered some super solid cameras throughout the years, especially in the last few years where none of its models have been amiss. It has plenty of features that'll make this camera super attractive to anyone, but especially beginners. It has 4K video shooting capability, great sensor, nice autofocus system, touch controls, superb battery life, and tons of other features that'll make this your favourite camera. The first thing you'll notice is that this one looks similar to its predecessor. It has a nice design and it's very light and compact. I should also mention that the build quality of this camera is very solid, and you can use it in rough conditions too. On top of that, this device has a tilting LCD screen, making it the smallest and lightest with that feature. It's constructed with a combination of aluminium alloy and polycarbonate resin body, and it looks great. Moving on, the Canon EOS Rebel T6 has a great set of controls like in every camera in the company's lineup, and it has a great hand grip for handling it properly. I should mention that the LCD screen flips up and is super responsive to touch, allowing you to take great control of the camera, and the viewfinder perfectly complements everything right with this device. It has an 18-megapixel CMPS image sensor and high-performance Digic 4 Plus image processor for amazing speed and brilliant quality. The Canon EOS Rebel T6 has a nice autofocus system which performs excellently despite being pretty dated by now. It packs a 9-point autofocus system which is arranged in a diamond pattern, which is good for most cases, but it isn't the best for moving objects or super close shots. I also noticed that the optical viewfinder helps facilitate quick and accurate focusing. The processing engine of this camera is responsible for delivering super beautiful photographs without skipping a beat. Overall, the performance is perfect for vloggers and beginners, as it'll teach you a lot about photography and will allow you to have plenty of fun in the process. If you want one of the best in terms of vlogging, you should consider taking a look at this beast. And at number 1, it's the Sony A6600. As our top pick, we have the Sony A6600, and this one has the world's fastest AF at 0.02 seconds with real-time AF and object tracking. It's the best and has many great features that any vlogger would love. The 24.2 megapixel APS-C XMOR sensor provides brilliant qualities and amazing features. In my opinion, it's best when compared to much pricier full-frame cameras. This camera has an amazing weatherproof design with a large grip that makes the camera feel more comfortable and secure in the hands. I love how they designed the chassis because it's fashioned from magnesium alloy and it looks very premium. I also noticed that it has a 3-inch touchscreen LCD, and this one tilts up to 180 degrees to face forward. The A600 series has been popular for vlogging for years now, and that's because they're very compact. The best feature in my opinion is the real-time tracking autofocus technology. This system is capable of tracking a subject and focusing on it very quickly, and the best thing is you can use real-time tracking autofocus technology during video capture as well. The A6600 provides amazing video quality, sharp and clear images that anyone would love. If you want to get nice high contrast scenes, you should set the dynamic range optimization to normal and the results will be astonishing. It has a small body and this means there's a limited room for external controls. The record button is a bit hard to reach because it sits on a slanted side edge. However, these are minor details, and I should mention that you can shoot amazing videos no matter what. I should also mention that the 5-axis in-body optical image stabilization mechanism has been adapted as the stabilization unit for the APS-C sensor on the A6600, and the results that this camera gives are just brilliant. If you want one of the best cameras for YouTube and stuff like that, you should definitely consider taking a look at the A6600 and see if this is the camera you were looking for. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.